Welcome back guys. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, I'm in the kitchen today and we're going to show you how you can make yourself a lovely healthy breakfast in the morning for a drink, how to lose weight, and also how to get rid of your tummy and shape right for summer. Thank you so much. This is some Chef Ricardo on the team. Lovely and nice. Welcome back to the kitchen, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen today. Anyway, today we want to do some grapefruit water, which is going to be detoxing your body, but we're going to use grapefruit instead of use orange. Orange is a little bit too acid, so you have to be careful, and it's a little bit sweet also. So we want to use grapefruit. Grapefruit is really good for you, and this is the way all the grapefruit use look like. We got 2 of them, and basically we're not gonna be peel the skin, remove the skin. We're just gonna leave it with the skin. Second thing, I have a big thing, a tub with some ice right here. It's nice to have a lot of ice, guys. So what we're gonna do basically is just make some detoxing water. I got half a cucumber right here, which I'm gonna be using. So first of all, I'm gonna simple slice up my cucumber and put it straight inside of the water like that. As you can see, basically where Chef Ricardo is on about right here. So as you can see, detoxing your body is really good, and I've been preaching this all over the last couple of months and days now, because a lot of my fans have keep asking me for that recipe, or you can detox your body. And as you can see, that's the cucumber in the water. So when the weather is so hot, this is what you can do. And a lot of people doesn't want to drink water. This is another way you can drink water. I just simply break a piece of a ginger and simply beat it, and this is the way how it looks. So I'm gonna chuck it straight inside of the water, just like that. Right here I have 1 lime, which I'm gonna be using. Because lime and ginger and cucumber and grapefruit, these things do work really well. Nice one. Then next, the grapefruit. So as you can see, this is the way the grapefruit look, and this is a red, lovely and nice. It's just so beautiful, guys. So basically, just gonna simple slice it up, put it straight inside of the water like that. As you can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. So basically, if you get the other one, and simple, nice and lovely. And then next, what we're gonna do now is put a lot of ice inside of it like this. That's exactly what you're looking for, and then give it a nice lovely stir. So basically, if you have the family over, and you know what I mean, this is another way how you can detox your body with a lot of grapefruit and also lime, cucumber and ginger. Leave this in the water for roughly 1 nice good 20 minutes, and then you serve it after. Guys, this is just one of the most beautiful things you could ever do. As I can see, looking really nice and beautiful. This is just how you can detox your body, because a lot of people doesn't know that detoxing your body is really good, and it's one of the most important things you could ever do in your life, is detox your body. As you can see, lot of ice, and I'm telling you guys, it's just fantastic. As you can see, beautiful. And all I have to do is just leave this for about 15 or 20 minutes inside of the water, and then a simple give it a nice lovely drink after. But as you can see, it looking so lovely and nice, and that's the best way you can detox your body. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. We got a lot more recipe and a lot more ideas and things which you can do at home, and then basically, as I said, you can serve this just as it is right here in a glass, and I'm telling you, the flavor and the taste, you will love it, guys. Thank you so much, and see you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. Bye bye.